Hello guys, good to have you back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can change the battery of a Renault Twingo key. It's a 2017 model and I'm going to show you how you can do it for yourself. There are some little terms that are important when you change it, and I'm going to do my best to show you how you can do that. We can do that. Okay, before we start I want to mention our YouTube channel, Service Reset My Car. We'd appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel, give us more support by liking our videos. Any comments, any questions are welcome. Use the comment area below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Also, let's start with this one. As you can see, a 3-button key, open, close and the trunk. We had some difficulties of working. The key wasn't working perfect, so I'm going to show you how I can change the battery line. As you can see, there's a hole over here. Get a little screwdriver and press with a bit force. Open this button. Okay. Now we have the key open. Okay. It's important to have the key battery out, and it's important to have the same battery. As you can see, the CR2032. It's for the thickness and the model of the battery important, otherwise the key might not work as you wish it to work. Get another one. I have a new one. It's a new one. And put this back on. Put this back on. Once you have that, put it back together by clicking it, and once you have done that, the battery is replaced. That was it for today. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you next time with another video. Bye bye.